Hi everybody, it's Miss Lewis. Welcome to day 2 of your week 1 packet. Hola a todos, bienvenidos al día número 2 de la primera semana del paquete. Today we're going to be doing our phonics to start and read 2 books called Shapes Around Us and Big. Plus we have 2 activities where you can write or talk. Hoy vamos a hacer otra vez actividades con las letras y los sonidos. Vamos a leer 2 libros sobre formas y cosas grandes y vamos a escribir o hablar sobre los libros. Let's get started. So day 2 has all of your information down here. Remember, you can go ahead and, like you did, scroll down before to the different pages in your packet. Now, I made a mistake. I thought there was only 1 page to do yesterday, but there were 2. So let's do a quick review of our letter A, sound A. Yo hice un error. Debemos hacer 2 páginas de ayer. Entonces vamos a hacer un reviso de la letra A y el sonido A. So we have here, A is the sound we hear in map, hat, bag, pan. It's the letter A. My sound is A. Here are more words. Man, mat, van. Nan taps a bag, como tocar. And Tab is a fat cat. Nan has a mat. Here in my picture. Nan has a cat. So you will write C-A-T, cat. Pueden escribir C-A-T, C-A-T. Nan taps a bag. The man has a van. Nan has a, hat. Now for our 2 for today. Ahora tenemos 2 más nuevos. Now we're going to focus on the letter O and the sound A. O, A. Bob can jog. Bob hops. Dog, doll. On the rock, off the rock. So now we're going to look at the sentence with the illustration. Bob can jog. Bob hops on the rock. The cat hops off the rock. The dog has a mat. The doll has a hat. Y pueden poner pausa y hacer la actividad. And you guys can hit pause and do the activity. Our next page has my A, and my O, A sounds together. I have can, como si se puede. Cannot, no se puede. Bob can jog. The doll cannot jog. Pot. Ahora aquí ustedes tienen que decidir que sí puede con can o no puede, cannot. The doll cannot hop. Nan, nombre de una chica. Jog. Bob, el nombre de un chico. Hop on a rock. A van. Jog. A pot. Hop. You can hit pause and do the activity. Good job. A, O, A. Now we're going to read our first book. Ahora vamos a leer el primer libro. It should look like this in your packet. En sus paquetes se ve así. It's called Shapes Around Us. Como formas alrededor de nosotros. School. Shapes are all around us. There are many shapes at school. Which shapes can you find? Look at the blocks. Star, square, rectangle, triangle, arch. Inside. There are many shapes inside. Do you see a circle and a rectangle? Which shapes can you find? Bowl, plate, cabinet, microwave, dishwasher, oven. I know the plate is a circle. Do you have a circle at your house? ¿Tienes un círculo en tu casa? Outside. There are many shapes outside. Do you see a circle and a rhombus? Which shapes can you find? Bicycle, wheel, sign, and sidewalk. Ustedes pueden ver en la foto y en sus vidas cuáles formas pueden ver. What pictures can you find? Sports. There are many shapes in sports. Do you see a sphere and a cone? Which shapes can you find? Goal, net, soccer ball, and grass. I see squares. I see a circle. What do you see? Our vocabulary. These are all different words you can find in the book. Now we're going to do an activity with shapes. Ahora vamos a hacer una actividad con formas. Here are some shapes. Circle, oval, square, rectangle, triangle, star. I want you to say those out loud. You can do it again. Put pause and listen to the video again. Pueden poner pausa y reescuchar para repetir. Circle, oval, square, rectangle, triangle, star. What shapes do you have? I have, como tengo, I have a rectangle. This is, I have a, what shape is this? Square. You write, I have a square. Good job. Yeah, you can see we already did our letter activities. We read shapes around us and did our activity with shapes. Now we'll do our last book called Big. Ya hicimos las actividades de letras y sonidos. Ya leímos sobre formas y escribimos. Ahora es el libro final que se llama Grande. Here it is, Big. You can listen the first time, put pause. The next time you listen to it, you can read it with me if you want. Big. A big house. A big dog. A big car. A big bus. A big plane. A big tree. A big elephant. A big dinosaur. The end. Now we're going to talk about sizes, tamaños. I have a big sandwich. What do you have? Look at, there's big sandwich, little sandwich, small, medium, and large or big drinks. Here we write, I have a small drink. This one, I have a big drink. This is my sandwich. I have a small sandwich. And your word sandwich is right here. Is this sandwich big or small? And now you've done all of the activities. Great job. You can read the books again. You can read the books from day 1. Pueden leer los libros otra vez. Pueden leer los libros de ayer. Y pueden preguntar a sus familias sobre las preguntas que contestaste. And you can ask your family about the questions that you already answered. You guys are doing a great job. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you when we come back. Bye.